everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of May 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. I will be adding charms and I will be pulling out oracle cards as well, so stay tuned and let's find out what is coming up for Capricorns for the month of May. While I'm shuffling the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So just pick whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's channel. And if you like it, to become a part of her YouTube family as well. I would add the link to her channel and a link to my new channel, which is Tarot in Hindi/Urdu. If you like them, you can become a part of those YouTube channels as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for Capricorns. Let's begin. King of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Somebody is very indecisive regarding a situation which involves stability. It can mean different for different people. Stability can mean financial security. Stability can mean financial goals as well. Stability can mean stability in a relationship as well. So somebody is being indecisive about either one of those things, and it's like it's really hard for majority of you. I feel like you will have to make a decision about your financial situation or work life situation, because you might have a new opportunity coming up for you, which could be coming from a distant land. It doesn't have to be a financial opportunity. It could be a job. It could be a university thing. Maybe you have applied for a university or something like that. It could be that for some of you as well, where you have to go to a certain place to pursue that. So that's going to be the reason why you are indecisive about that particular situation. That's what I'm picking up. But it could be different for different people. It could be about two different jobs. It could be two different universities. It could be anything. But I feel like you are indecisive, and that too, because either one of the choices that you have is at a far off kind of a place, like at a distance from you right now. Let's see more cards. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be I feel like it's more of a financial situation. I feel like it's more of that. For some of you, it could be the energy of the person that you are dealing with, and maybe you will have your person telling you during this month, especially in the beginning, that they will have to leave you. Not leave you as in leave you, but maybe that could be the case for some of you as well. But I feel like they are going to share the news that they have to go at a distance from you because of their work, or work, business, whatever it is, maybe study as well. So that could be the thing for you, for some of you as well. Maybe it's not your energy, it could be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. And it is definitely going to get you confused, because you if this is your person's energy, I feel like it's gonna make you think a lot. You are going to feel that maybe they don't value you. That's why they are leaving you for their work or whatever it is that they're leaving you for. You are going to have negative emotions towards this person, towards this relationship, because you are going to feel bad for yourself being in this connection. Let's take more cards. You would feel like this person is definitely giving importance to another person or another situation more over you. So I feel like it's definitely going to be that kind of a situation for you in this month of May, where you have to deal with a person, or it could be your energy. You have to choose to either choose your person or to choose the new job that you are going to get, or you are going to start off with. So it can be reversed for some of you as well, but I do see that the travel is a must in this situation. So something is going to happen either for you or for your person, which will involve distance between the two of you, which will create distance between the two of you, which is going to be a tough decision to make, be that for you or be that for your person. But you really don't have to it's going to be a very tough thing for you, for the two of you, because I feel like you are going to feel depressed, because you would feel left alone, or they are going to feel left alone if you are the one doing this to them. Let's take some cards for your love life specifically for the month of May. Let's see what it says. Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Princess of Wands, King of Swords, and then comes the Tower. Hierophant, Ten of Wands. For some of you, maybe this person is going to tell you to, come along with them, but maybe you would not be able to do so. But again, I feel like, whoever it is, they are going to prefer their work situation over the relationship. That's what I'm picking up. So if you are committed to this person, or if you are married to this person, I would suggest you to go with what they are going for. If you are not married, or if you are not in any sort of committed relationship, I feel like, maybe you are going to cut ties with this person, because you are going to feel left alone by this person, because you would feel that this person is more focused on their work and career than you. So I feel like, it could be that for some of you as well. So it's going to be different for different people, but I feel like somebody is definitely going to give priority to their work, finances, work related goals, career goals, or something around those lines, over love, relationship, family, and all those things. So yeah, it is going to be a tough month for you to make a decision about this person and the connection that you have with this person. So yeah, let's take one card from the Secret Language of Color cards. Let's see what the card, which color is going to be lucky for you for the month of May. White, lighten up, number 24. I would suggest you to stay positive in this situation, whatever it is, whether you are going with them, whether they are going or with you, whatever the situation is. Try to keep it light. Try to keep it. Don't let this affect you negatively, I would say, and. Let me take one more card from the top of the deck here. I feel like, if this person really wants you to come along, I think you should go with this person. Maybe initially you're gonna feel like, maybe, why they are not the one who is changing their mind about this new offer, whatever it is that they want to pursue, and they want you to be with them. For, just don't get into ego thing about it. Like, don't bring your ego into this decision. Like, if you start thinking like, why this person is not giving up on the job, why do I have to give up on my job for them? Don't get there. Like, if you really want this person, if you really love this person, I think you should give this person your all. Like, if you think you can move on with this person to the new country, state, whatever it is that they want you to go with them for, like, whatever it is, you should be with them. And if you do that, trust me, you will be happy that you did. But if you don't, if you choose not to, and if you choose to cut ties, I feel like, for some of you, you might do that as well, because I feel like, one person is being very clear. Like, they want to do it, whether you give, whether you stay with them, or whether you support them or you don't, they are going to do it. So your call, whether you want to be a part of their life, or whether you want to support them, or whether you want to move with them or not. So it, but I do see you taking that chance, even though I feel like, you will have a, because I feel like, if you don't, it's not gonna, I do see you moving out with this person. I do see you going with this person. I don't see you walking away from this person. I feel like, you are going to support this person. Whether I'm not saying that it's gonna be so easy for you. I do see that there will be some ego issues coming in this kind of in this situation, but eventually I do see you going together. For majority of you, for very few of you, you might choose to cut ties, bringing the ego into this connection. So let's take one card from this deck, and let's find out what it has to add to the reading. True healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. Don't let your this situation trigger your ego. So you can make the right decision. Let's take some charms on. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for the Capricorns. Let's take some more. Okay, you do have a K, and then Baby card. You are going to be either one of you is going to be bossy in this connection and really want you to go for what they are asking you to go for, and they would be they will be the captain of your ship for sure. They would choose, they would do what they want to, you know, they want to do. Like, you cannot, you know, dictate them to do something, but yeah, they can dictate you to do something. Like, it's that kind of energy. This person is going to they really want to have the upper hand in this situation, in this connection. Plus, if you allow this person to be the dominant one, this person is going to love you even more. And if you support this person in this particular situation, you will see that, your relationship is going to transform into something more meaningful and beautiful. Even if you are boyfriend girlfriend right now, and if you think that you can move in with this person and, travel with this person, this person is going to value you for that a lot. Maybe you cannot see it right now. Maybe you are going to feel like, maybe this person, like I said, you will have those times when you are going to think that if you were important for them, then why they are choosing to go. But you are not understanding that this person is asking you to come along. If they really didn't want you, they wouldn't have asked you to, come along as well. So just be mindful of that as well. Don't think negative. Keep your mind clear and light, from, and clean from all the negative thoughts. So yeah, this is pretty much coming up for you for the month of May 2020. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.